Hello, hello. See, well, yeah, I'm actually streaming. It was pretty quick, to be honest. Now I'm going to actually work on a thing which should do the Twitter OAuth for me, and hopefully that will work. And hopefully I can actually start working on it real quick. Let's open the stream on my mobile phone so that I can read. Yep, somebody's on the stream already. Yo, what's up? Well, let me just close the audio thing, and there we go, my friends. Hmm, then that. And do I have something sensitive? Probably not. I need to actually make the Twitter OAuth thing, so maybe I can just go on project and folder. I'll call it Twitter OAuth. I will select the folder and I will need some credentials. So give me a second. I will just copy them out. Meanwhile, you guys can. Um, what is this? What is GAINT? Um, I know giant is GAINT. All right. All right. Anyways, now meanwhile, you guys can look at the Discord and help Sunshine actually do some stuff. By stuff, I mean to their error live stream. Why you cannot see Discord? Can you see the Discord now? The hell? Something is wrong with Discord. I can show you the full screen, but wait. If I will show you the full screen, then what is the point? Why will I even do that? Okay, made very much live stream. Um, guys, perfect. You guys can see the Discord. Well, let me just open the general on click function. Oh, well, meanwhile, I will go and get some of the OAuth stuff. You guys can help him out. Of course, I have no idea how to play audio. I will need to check it out on Google. Not really good with it. But meanwhile, what was I doing? Yeah, I'm OAuth. The somewhere here. All right. I almost got it. So I have it now. Just copy it and make a file called .m.example so that I can actually so that I actually know what's up, what is what. All right. Well, I'm done. Let me show you the damn perfect. So these are the things we have. Let me make a file called source, and let's hope that I will not end up the .m file, because if I do, then I will need to reset quite a lot of things. That's not good. Mongo URI, Discord token, and all of these Twitter things. Well, let's find out how Twitter OAuth actually works. Twitter OAuth. I have no damn idea, of course. Um, well, I can use passport it for it, but don't do that. Let's actually do it all by ourselves, because that will be better. Twitter User OAuth. This must be the site where we have to go. Anyways, let me check it out. Play and file. Okay, HTML audio. Try it myself. That's probably stupid. Well, it didn't autoplay it itself, so I'm not sure what they mean by that. What's this? Okay, this time it did autoplay. Let me remove the muted part and yeah, that's what we want to do. And let me try to do some style. Let's just style. Body. Let's see if it is actually working. Background color red. Yes, it is actually working. So I will do audio. Display should be none so that we cannot see. Perfect. Well, let me copy this. Wait a sec. Let's see if I can actually fix it. I might be able to do that. Maybe I cannot do that. I have no idea. Can I edit the thing? Make a thing in Haskell. Let's move that. Right. How do I get the perms to edit the thing? Show files. So I should be smart enough that much. Well, now I know how audio works. So we have index.html. We have bg.mp3. Let's see where do they have the audio part. We have lot of other stuff there. And the audio section. Audio is that. Well, what about? Can I edit it? No, I cannot. Let me try to .html. Can I have a HTML stuff? We have a button. Let's click. Then we can have an on-click event. Just do this. All right. So what do we have to do on click? We have to play some music, right? Yeah. that- Let's see, my friends. First of all, we can keep an audio file. All right. And let me just add some style as well. Style. And then I can do hashtag song. Display should be done. All right. Let me just copy the bg.mp file. Someone copy it, paste it here, man. No, I cannot. How do I copy this? For now, I will just get a random file. Let's we have mp3, we have some text. Copy this and go back, paste it, and I can rename it bg.mp.mp. Perfect. Anyways, on click event, we can do document dot get element by id song. Well, by the way, need to do a shift boom. All right, then we can do dot play. I have no damn idea if it is going to work, but doubt if it will work or not. Do we have an error here? Says that we do. Invalid character. Oh my. How can I miss that damn error? Well, right click, copy the path. Boom. Nothing happened. HTML play audio element on button click. It already exists. The question, I mean. Let's see if that's how it body audio is equals to audio and add button. Okay, so we are going to try this out. Copy it, paste that there. terminate it. That we remove that, and here we can simply do dot slash bg.mp. Simple as this, and I will need to, of course, replace that to this, and then we can do this. Boom. Just add some tabs so that more readable. See, and now I can just do audio.play. Simple. So let's go on document, reload it. Nothing happened. So we have buttons. Button not only even. Uh, how do this actually work? Audio play on click. Audio is equals to whatever audio. Audio. Audio is. I did try that, but it didn't have no damn idea. Let's try something out. Impulsive C. Now, first of all, let me remove this part and load it. Ah, I can see that thing. Display is equals to block. Width should be 30 pixels. Height should. I just want to test it. I just want to see it to be precise. Let's make a background color as well. Give me a second. All right. Now we have to add a background color. I will just use aqua. Want to see? Okay, we cannot see the MP3 file. That audio IDs to const a is equals to document dot get element by the ID. ID will be song, and of course I made the mistake doing that. Then we can do a dot play. Now let's see what happens if I click. I am unable to play the audio, or maybe let me sound. Well, it is actually not working. Well, let me try using it in Google Chrome. It might be a issue for Firefox. So click, and I actually cannot listen any damn thing. Really interesting. Um, this guy is simply doing document.getElement by ID, not the thing. Audio ID. Let me just try to copy the source. Okay. This is Control Shift L V. Will it work? I have no idea. Reload it. Click. Well, it won't work. Seems like that. Uh, let's try autoplay. Okay, wait a sec. Allow audio and video. Autoplay worked fine, but if I click on it, that is actually not working, and that is really not good. Well, I wanna test one more thing. Dot slash bg.mp. Well, yeah, that works, and that was quite too loud. And yo, Spring Cookie, what's up? I'm good. I'm actually coding something weird right now. As you can see, you might have seen that voice. But anyways, what's up? How are you? Now what I have to do is document.getElement. Let's try this out. By the way, it must have some errors in the have any. Let me just console.log a because I wanna see what happens. Firstly, we have the auto. play thing, and then if I click on it, nothing actually happens. The on click event is not working. Amazing. Well, that gives me a bit of relief. Let's see, we have a message. We don't. On click. Well, let's do this. We have a style, have a button. Uh, we can give it an ID as well. Button. And now what I can do is I can make a script tag. Well, I'm doing it all in a single file because I don't want to make multiple files right now. We can make a function called play, then we can just do const audio is equal to document that element by the ID song. Then we can just do audio dot literally play. That's pretty much it. Now we can do one more thing. Const button is document get element by the ID. Name will be button as well. Now I have to do button dot on or maybe dot add event list. Name is going to be click, and then whenever this happens, just play the damn thing. You can let's reload it. Click. Okay, it worked fine. Let me just send him the script. Copy. See, let me mention him so that he can actually. Do we have here? Yo. Let me ask him to join the VC real quick. We have ask him. Also, I should join it as well. And yeah, let's wait for him. Meanwhile, we can do random stuff. Meanwhile, we can make it a bit more fun. Let is playing is so now if the thing is playing, then we do something. Otherwise, we do something. Add a I don't know if we do stop or if we pause. Audio dot stop is not a function. And audio dot pause must be a function. And by the way, it should start with a false. Uh, okay, that didn't really work. Of course, how do we pause audio? Yeah. HTML pause audio. This should help us out in seeing how the audio pause function works. X dot pause. Well, interesting. Let's try to add a bigger music that we can actually know if it is working. Uh, this thing is going to be quite loud, so prepare yourself, my friend, because you guys are going to hear some extremely loud. So, alright, seems like he's closing his mic, so I don't have to worry about. I will remove the desktop audio so that you guys can stay sane, and I will decrease the volume here as well. Wait, if I will decrease it, how will I know? Uh, okay, I'm unable to pause it. Let's see. Wow, what? Anyways, he's hello. So,
अरे देखो ना ऐसा शो रहा है ना कि जैसे प्लेयर 24/7 कनेक्ट रहता है उसके बाद है ना
अपना वैसे म्यूजिक का तो आइडिया नहीं है, क्या आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या? माइक तो वगैरह ये भाई भी कम आ रही है। अब कैसी आ रही है? तो क्या कहते हैं, मैंने म्यूजिक बोर्ड भाई बनाया नहीं है, सो पता नहीं इतना। आपका कोड देखो। सेकंड ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ। अब दिख रहा है। मिसिंग लेट्स दैट sources equals that is by। हाँ, एक चीज कर सकता हूँ, कॉपी पेस्ट करके वेट। एक ही सेकंड लगेगा भाई। वो अभी क्या कहते हैं, एक और जगह स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग टाइप हो रही है, वेरी हार्ड। All right, everybody, I'm done with the spoon feeding. I'm not sure why I did that, but we're done with that. Now, I think I will just skip the pause thing. We don't really audio file. Wait a second. Let me check his code. Like, what's the issue in his code? Profiles. I will open the index.html once we have got, and here we the audio. Root audio button button 0 dot already written. Well, I think what we can do is uh, probably keep the audio tag with normal HTML. Mention him real quick. Anyways, I think overall his code seems fine. We have a ping here with G. And alright, so seems like his code have a small issue that might be because of the fact that he is making the audio file later on. Let me just show you real quick. Like he is adding it here. Alright, that might be causing the issue. I'm not sure if that really caused some trouble, but let's find out. Let's find out, alright. I don't know why he's actually doing it like that. What is rot? Document.get element by id root. I wonder where is root. There is something called root. I don't think there will be a issue if you just keep it there, and he can even make the display none if you want. Let's see what do we have here. All right. I guess I will just remove these extra files which I don't need now. So yeah, we should have only access to browser tutor. This allows the Twitter developer app to access private account information. Basic authentication requires the user for to you to authenticate on behalf of another account with greater control. Yes, that's what I want to do. OAuth 2. Perfect. Anyways, what's up here? This is on my body at doll button, and this is my script. Okay, well, I already read it, so it's a useless to tell me now. Let's wait for him to actually make the change. Hello world, what's up, unschool gamer? Long time. Yeah. Well, what's up, man? Anyways, what is this? By default, the access to create will refer to us as your line.x. I will use that scope, refresh. We don't really care about that. Hey, what's up with that? We have another format selection. Format selection now. I have no damn idea what is format selection. Applies the smart. Oh, the code becomes more readable. So it doesn't really have any other profit. I mean, it is easy to read then, and that is probably we need for sure. That I think that is something useful and needed. But anyways, let's get back to the thing in which I'm actually. It is going to be boring for me to actually make it read. So now in our index, we need. Let's start by installing Fastify. So let's just use Express because that will be easier. And what else do we need? We will need Axios, and that's it. Help out. Dude, code become readable, but English to Hindi, and let's paste it here. कोड अधिक पुनः प्रयोग हो let's copy it. Didn't work. Okay, let's let me open this site somehow. How do I open the website? Yes, go like here. My face. Nothing happened. It was weird as that. See, I have no idea. Of course, not easily read code. Why is he talking like well? Anyways, personal choice. talk weird things, man. Sometimes. Maybe most of the see, let's see the source code now. Let's actually text.html changes audio. What is he doing here? Dot on click song is equals to document.get element by id song.play. This seems perfect. If it could work, website would be nice. And can we do window.on? Uh, mm, you mean? Probably. Not sure. The main thing is, why is it not playing it? Let me just copy his HTML real. Copy it and let's actually work on it. C.html, paste it. What do we need? .bg.mp3, right? We go and get a good MP3 sound. Let's copy it and backspace paste, and I will, you know, right? BG3, and after that, what else do we need? We have a script.js as well. We have BP. That's useless bullshit. We don't need it. What's this giant thing? All right, so let's see. First of all, I will need to go to the local file. Let's see. T.html, copy the path, and then I can just do Control T, we enter. I'm at the file. Congrats, everybody. Click on my fate. Fate is already returned to be eaten by a yeti. Now let's actually start the debugging. So, what is wrong with the damn song? Console.log song. Let's reload the thing. Control Shift I. Click on my fate, and it did return a perfect thing. Alright.